Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Samsung Android phones. So if your Wi-Fi is connected but you are not having any internet on your Android phones, then what you need to do is first you need to go for your Wi-Fi. You can simply long press on your Wi-Fi and then go for more Wi-Fi settings. And under that, you may have the connected option under your Wi-Fi, right? So you need to simply go for the settings of that Wi-Fi that you have been connected. And now you need to go for disconnect. And once you've disconnected, now you need to go back and then you need to reload your Wi-Fi and again connect to that Wi-Fi. And that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to simply forget the password. So tap on the settings and then tap on cancel saving. And once you've removed, now you can again go for the Wi-Fi and then you can enter your password and connect to the Wi-Fi. Tap on connect and this might fix your problem. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, again go for the settings, and under your settings here you may have an option of IP address, gateway, DNS and all of that, right? So if you're being able to edit that options, then you need to simply go for your IP address and make sure you have 192.168.1.74. And once you've done, you need to go for the DNS option, and under the DNS you need to remove everything and then you need to type 8.8.8 and then .8, and then you need to tap on save. And once you've changed your DNS, your problem will be fixed. And you may also choose an option which is privacy. Tap on privacy and then tap on use device MAC. And once you've chosen, you can restart your phone, and once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.